Hello and welcome to Rep to Turkey. Today we're taking you on a journey to a city where the sun paints the stones like gold, where time seems to stand still and where history can be felt with every step. Mardin. In this ancient city, which has engraved the traces of thousands of years onto its stones, you'll witness not just remarkable buildings, but also a profound way of life, a unique philosophy, and stories passed down through generations. Mardin is nestled in the southeastern Anatolia region of Turkey, perched on a hill overlooking the vast Mesopotamian plain. Dating back to the Assyrian, this ancient city has been home to countless civilizations over centuries, including the Hittites, Urartians, Persians, Romans, Byzantines, Archukids, and Ottomans. With its rich past, Mardin stands out as one of the rare places where different religions and languages, specifically Syriac, Arabic, and Turkish, cultures have met and coexisted in peace for centuries, showcasing an unparalleled climate of tolerance. One of the most striking aspects of Mardin is its narrow, mysterious streets, adorned with houses made from its distinctive, locally quarried yellow limestone. These stones dance with the light, changing hues throughout the day, and, as the sun sets, they transform into molten gold, turning the entire city into a magical painting. This unique architecture creates an unparalleled silhouette for the city, allowing you to hear the whispers of history around every corner.
Our first stop in Mardin is the Zinciriye Madrasa. Built in the 14th century during the Artukid period, this magnificent structure is impressive not only for its intricate architecture, but also for its breathtaking view overlooking the Mesopotamian plain. The well in its courtyard, used for astronomical observations, reflects the scientific advancements of its era, while the delicate stone carvings and embellishments showcase some of the finest examples of Mardin's artistic heritage, intertwined with its daily life. Here, you'll feel both the depth of history and a unique aesthetic. Next, we venture slightly out of the city center to a very special place, the Deyrulzafaran Monastery. With over 1,600 years of rich history, this monastery is one of the most significant spiritual centers of the Syriac Orthodox Church, having once served as the seat of the Syriac Orthodox Patriarchate. Its sun-saluting position and unique architecture make Deyrulzafaran immensely important, both religiously and culturally. Inside, its historical library, mosaics, and millennia-old holy relics act like a time capsule, transporting you back through the ages. Now we head to the heart of Mardin, the Great Mosque, Ulu Cami. Constructed in the 12th century by the Artukids, this historic mosque immediately draws attention with its central location and prominent silhouette. The Great Mosque stands out with its single, elegant, fluted minaret and simple yet impactful stone workmanship, perfectly blending into Mardin's mystical atmosphere. The peaceful ambiance within the mosque and the ablution fountain in its courtyard carry the traces of a long-standing tradition of worship. Just a few steps away from the Great Mosque, on the same street, the Kırklar Church, Mor Benham Church, welcomes us. The close proximity of a mosque and a church in such a short distance is one of the most striking and concrete examples of Mardin's culture of religious tolerance and coexistence. In this city, where different faiths have lived side by side in peace for centuries, Kırklar Church stands tall as a living symbol of this unique harmony. The icons, intricate decorations, and tranquil ambiance inside the church offer visitors a distinct spiritual experience.
Mardin isn't just known for its stones, historical structures, and views. It also captivates with its rich cultural life and warm-hearted people. As you wander through the city's streets, you'll be embraced by the harmonious blend of different languages and the hospitality of its tradesmen. Mardin cuisine in itself is an experience. It offers some of Turkey's most special flavors, a fusion of spices, local produce, and ancient recipes. You'll undoubtedly savor the famous stuffed ribs, kaburga dolması, the crispy sembusek, and the unique sweetness of harire dessert with its syrup. These flavors are a reflection of the city's deep-rooted culinary traditions and warm hospitality. Another distinctive cultural treasure of Mardin is filigree art, takari. This intricate silver craftsmanship, with a tradition spanning hundreds of years, dazzles with delicate jewelry and objects brought to life by the hands of master artisans. To truly appreciate how silver is patiently crafted, thread by thread, into a work of art, you should visit the local workshops and jewelry stores. Just watching these handcrafted beauties displayed in front of the shops is an unforgettable experience in itself. At sunset, Mardin's silhouette transforms into something out of a painter's palette, taking on an entirely different beauty. The sun's last rays paint the city's unique yellow stones with a golden hue. Minarets, domes, and narrow streets appear completely different, even more mystical under this enchanting light. Drone footage of the Mesopotamian plain reveals how history and nature are intertwined in a unique harmony. These moments showcase Mardin's full splendor and magic in the most striking way, making you feel as if time has truly stood still. Mardin is more than just a city. It's a story etched in stone, a heritage spanning millennia, a magical journey through time. This ancient book written in stones is still open and waiting to be read. Come become a part of this unique story and feel the soul of Mardin. If you enjoyed this magical journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Route to Turkey channel. See you on our next route.